back to my channel. It's actually, guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my room, or shall I say, my room with most of my family, I guess. So I'm going to be cleaning this room with my brother, and he's gonna help me clean this. So before we do that, let me just give you a quick tour of our messy room that we're gonna clean up today. Okay, so here we have the lounge section with our wardrobe. So these are our two wardrobes, guitar, table, some stuffed animals, a bag, a pillow, a not made of bed from morning, an iPad cover, a ruler, and my stuffed animal called Ashley, and my brother's stuffed animal called PewDiePie. So this is also my area, but I think it's like very clean. Okay, so I think that is actually very clean and organized, and this one was a temporary playhouse for my stuffed animals, as you can see over here. Oops, sorry, Paddington. And well, yeah, we're just gonna have to clean this table, that lounge section, this bed, and a bit of the entry, but I don't see anything wrong with the entry, so yeah. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start cleaning up the bed, because that's like the easiest part. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. The unplaced things, I'm going to place them at its right place after we clean and organize it. But I know most people first move away the things. Okay, next we're going to clean up the lounge area.
We're still cleaning this. And now, guys, we're gonna be moving this my desk over to here.
Hey, it's everybody's desk.
Shush. My desk.
That's not nice.
My desk.
You mean everyone's desk? He means everyone's desk, guys.
Answer sheet. So guys, I just cleaned the whole desk thing. So
guys,
I'm tired. So let me show you. First, Tashi wants to say something.
Guys, I was the person holding the camera for a long time, and I'm feeling like my hand is gonna drop off.
Cause that's because you now recorded. You know, either me or Dad, we both have recorded. Not
Okay,
you.
guys, a quick announcement. I am so sorry about what has been happening lately. that I have not been making videos since, well, really such a long time. That was because when this COVID started, we got very busy. We had to do a lot of home stuff, and I also had to go to my schools because my schools are open, but there is a lot of other busy and crazy stuff going on every day. So I hope this video will be enough for this day, and then maybe the next few days after, I can continue making videos again. So sorry about the huge delay, and let's continue.
Okay, anyways. Now, I'm gonna put a picture of how our room looked before. And this
because like we can do like a colleague where we like put
it's a collage, anyways.
Collage where we like put the stick in the middle
Yep.
and write
Now,
before, after, separate, and then photos.
that's just gonna go dim, and I'm gonna put the photos and cut this part. So yeah. So guys, now this is how our room looks now. I think it looks way better.
But what does dim mean?
Nothing. Anyways, so
Guys, please comment down below the meaning of dim.
this is all for this video. Ashi, any last words?
Well, obviously, this is my channel, so I'm going to be doing the intro and the outro. So, of course. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash out the like button and the subscribe button. And till then, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.